Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Box Drive and configure offline access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Box Drive, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official Box website. Click on the download button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be directed to the download page. Select the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Once selected, the download will begin automatically. After the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Box Drive on your device. Once installation is complete, launch Box Drive from your Applications or Programs menu. You will be prompted to log in to your Box account. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. After logging in, you will see your Box Drive interface. To configure offline access, click on the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, find the Offline Access option. Enable offline access by toggling the switch to the on position. You can now select specific folders to sync for offline use. Choose the folders you want to access offline by checking the boxes next to them. Once selected, click Save to apply your changes. Your chosen folders will begin syncing for offline access. You can monitor the progress in the Box Drive interface. When the sync is complete, you will be able to access your files without an internet connection. To access your offline files, simply open the Box Drive folder on your device. Your files will be available for viewing and editing as needed. When you reconnect to the internet, any changes made offline will automatically sync back to your Box account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.